Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Archi. Today I'm very excited to announce release of our first plugin. So this plugin basically allows you to create oblique perspectives. So for example, I'm gonna turn this set of furniture in the open floor plan into this. Are you ready? Let's dive right into it. So first thing you need to do is to go down to the description and check out the link and download our Archi installer. Make sure your Rhino is closed when you are installing it, and once it's in your Windows system, all you need to do is to double click it, then choose next and close. And this automatically installs into your current version of Rhino, and once it's finished, try to run it in Rhino. And if you have any problems or troubleshooting issues, make sure to go to our Reddit and we'll address our problems there. So to make our oblique elevation, all you really need to do is to run our command, choose your objects, and then hit enter. And then Rhino will transform your geometry so that your objects are viewable in oblique perspective from either front or top view. So for example, I just ran the first command, which is the oblique elevation. As you can see, and from here on you can make 2D, take screenshots, or even render them to extract some material ID. And to turn them back into your editable format, all you need to do is to hit restore oblique geometries, and then your geometries will come back to the original form. Now, this time I'll try the plan oblique. I'll first run the script, choose our model, and then press enter. Then Rhino will run a successive commands to transform your object. And from perspective, it might look completely incomprehensible, but when you go to the top view, you'll see that all your models are now viewable in plan oblique. And as before, you can turn these into line drawings using make 2D command, or render them to extract material IDs and shadows. And yeah, it can go in all kinds of directions from here. If you want to keep up your workflow of editing in the 3D space, but keep checking how it looks in the either plan or elevational oblique, what you can do is to actually select all your objects and turn them into blocks. So I'll select them all, type in block, then I'll choose a random point, and I'll say this is test block. Then once this is created, you can make a copy of this one, and once you transform one of them, now I've just applied the oblique elevation, so I'll go to the front view. The model is as expected, they are viewable in oblique perspective, but now you retain this copy that is comprehensible in 3D space so that we can keep applying changes to it. So for example, from here I'll be adding some 3D people to it. So I'll drop in some of our very low poly people, which is also downloadable from the link below. I'll select all the blocks and then copy. Now bring it into the Rhino scene, and then double click into our 3D, understandable 3D, and then paste the people into it. So I'll type in zoom select, choose the base point, and then hit home to go back, and place them among our objects. And I'm going to make the entourage people red color, that they appear red. Then I'll just scatter them around randomly. A lot of the features are still in development, so if you find any errors or troubleshoot notes, make sure to let me know in the subreddit. Now once that is done, hit OK. And now, nothing seems to have changed here, but if you go to our oblique perspective, you see that the people have transformed in elevational oblique as well. Now you can always go back and forth between the 3D to edit, and then come back here to take screenshots. So just to demonstrate, I'll try doing this again in Oblique Plan. I'll make a copy, hit Oblique Plan. Now go to the plan view to check it out. Wow, that honestly looks really good. I enjoy it. And as you can see, there's some collision here. And one thing that might be a little tricky is that if you just click directly into here, you cannot edit it because the geometry has been transformed. So you always have to go back to the original copy that we have saved from before to edit it. But once you have this one saved, then your geometries are always editable and you can always go back and check out the changes immediately. And this plugin is available for free. We have a lot more exciting contents and plugins and other tools coming out, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.